Welcome students, I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we learn about the dandruff. Dandruff is a harmless chronic condition that occurs when the scalp becomes dry or greasy and produce white flecks of dead skin that appear in the hair and on the shoulders as shown in the picture. Although it is harmless, dandruff can be embarrassing for those who have it. Generally, skin cells are formed continuously on the scalp. So the shedding of dead skin cells is a normal process, but at the time of dandruff, the skin cells are shed from the more faster rate than the normal and appear as a white flecks. What causes dandruff? Dandruff can be caused by a number of things including a dry skin. It is the most common cause of dandruff. Flecks from the dry skin are generally smaller and less oily than those from the other cause of dandruff as shown in the picture. And you all likely have a symptoms and sign of dry skin on the other part of your body such as your legs and arms. The other causes of dandruff include the irritated oily skin, which is also known as seborrheic dermatitis. This condition is marked by a red grassy skin covered by the flaky white or yellow scales as shown in the figure. Other cause of dandruff is not shampooing often enough. If you don't regularly wash your hair with the shampoo, oil and the skin cells can build up from your scalp and causing the dandruff. Some other skin conditions is also causes the dandruff. People with this skin condition such as eczema, a chronic inflammatory skin condition, and psoriasis, a skin condition marked by a rapid buildup of rough, dry, dead skin cells that from a thick scale may appear to have a dandruff. The flecks associated with psoriasis look like a silver scales as shown in the picture, which may also commonly be apparent on the ear, palms and soles of your body. Some yeast like fungus like the Malassezia is also causes the dandruff. Malassezia lives on the scalp of the most adult, but for some it irritates the scalp. This can irritate your scalp and cause the more skin cells to grow. The extra skin cells die and fall off and making them appear white and flaky in your hair and your cloth. Sensitivity to your hair care product such as contact dermatitis. Sometimes sensitivity to the certain ingredients in the hair care products or the hair dye, especially paraphenylenediamine, can cause a red itchy scaly scalp. Shampooing too often or using too many styling products also may irritate your scalp and causing the dandruff. Treatment for the dandruff. The first is following a healthy diet. It is vital to nourish your body with the nutrition food to maintain the good health of your organ and the body parts, including your hairs. Nourish your hair with the foods loaded with the good omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins and the zinc. The dietary sources for these essential vitamins and the mineral are the fish, broccoli, walnuts, eggs, cabbage, whole grain, dairy product, nut and the red meat are helpful to nourish your hair. Second, by avoiding the stress, you also prevent the dandruff. Stress is known to be the major cause of dandruff. Moreover, it also weakens your immune system and causes skin disease. Stress management techniques like the yoga, breathing exercise and medication to keep your stress away and try to be tension free and healthy. Third is some shampoos used in the combination of special ingredient to control your dandruff. For example, the shampoos contain the salicylic acid, then selenium sulfide, Salsam blue, zinc pyrithione, tar shampoos and ketoconazole. These are the some preparation which help to control the dandruff. A number of antifungal treatment have been found to be effective in the dandruff treatment, including the ketoconazole, zinc pyrithione and the selenium disulfide. Ketoconazole as a shampoo appear to be most effective in the dandruff treatment. Ketoconazole is a broad spectrum antimycotic agent that among treatment option because of its effectiveness in treating the seborrheic dermatitis. Cyclopirox is also a widely used as an anti-dandruff agent in the most preparations. Coal tar. It causes the skin to minimize the dead cells from the top layer and used for the dandruff treatment. Egg oil is also used in the dandruff treatment. In the traditional and Chinese medicine, egg oil are very frequent to use in the dandruff prevention and control. Some home remedies is also used to treat that conditions. For example, fenugreek seed, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, neem leaves, egg, rosemary leaves, hibiscus leaves, onions, lime juice, aloe vera and the coconut oil. Some medicines is also used to treat the dandruff. For example, aspirin. By taking a 2 tablets of aspirin and crush them into a fine powder, add it to the amount of shampoo that you should use to wash your hair. Once it's in lather, let it remain in the hair for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse. Wash the hair again with the normal shampoo in order to eliminate any powder that remain in your hair. It is helpful in the dandruff treatment. This is because the aspirin contains the salicylate, which is the active ingredients in the dandruff shampoo that contain the salicylic acid. Some natural oils such as coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil can be used to keep the scalp moisturized and prevent the dandruff. Vinegar. Vinegar can be used to keep your scalp from becoming flaky after regular shampooing. It is also helpful in the dandruff treatment. Baking soda. Replace your shampoo with baking soda for a few weeks. Vigorously rub a handful of baking soda into the scalp of your hair and rinse thoroughly. Repeat as you would in your regular schedule of washing your hair. That is helpful in your dandruff treatment. Lemon juice. Lemon juice with the coconut oil is also helpful in the dandruff treatment. Take some coconut oil and mix the half amount of lemon juice in it and massage your scalp with it and wash your hair after the 20 minutes. This remedy is also helpful in the treatment and prevention of dandruff. Thank you everyone.